All about Terra Sigillata. Terra Sigillata is a very refined slip that adds sheen to clay. Here are a couple of recipes for Terra Sigillata, including the one we have in the studio. The one we have in the studio is far from perfect, unfortunately, so if you think you're really interested, you might want to try one of the other recipes. I've already applied some Terra Sigillata to this cup before I started filming. Our studio Terra Sigillata seems to work best with 3 coats. You want to apply it very thinly. Ideal Terra Sigillata should be skim milk in consistency, but this is a little thicker. You want to wait until the Terra Sigillata is no longer shiny wet, but still looks damp. And then you can lightly rub the surface with your fingertip. Or here I'm trying to use a piece of plastic. I chose a very small piece of plastic. I would advise something a little bit larger. A chamois can work very well for this, a very soft chamois. Ideal, perfect Terra Sigillata would not need to be rubbed at all. It would just get a nice shine after brushing it on. So if you want to make it your mission to figure out how to make perfect Terra Sigillata, that's something you can experiment with. Terra Sigillata loses its sheen pretty much at cone 6, but a lot of artists use Terra Sigillata at cone 6. This will make your clay look a lot whiter. So if you've been annoyed by the off-white color of our studio clay, this white Terra Sigillata will make your clay whiter. We also have a red Terra Sigillata that comes out kind of brown at cone 6. And next time we do raku, Terra Sigillata is ideal for applying underneath of raku, because in the raku kiln, if you've got a burnished surface like the Terra Sigillata makes, you can see the sheen here, it will pick up smoke better. So this is a way of adding a sheen to your clay without adding glaze.